Every year, an estimated $2.6 trillion is stolen through corruption. The International Anti-Corruption Day is an opportunity to acknowledge and promote the efforts against corruption and bribery worldwide. According to the Addis Ababa Action Agenda on Financing for Development, we need to fully address corruption to have any chance of achieving the 2030 Agenda on Sustainable Development. Corruption diverts resources away from poverty eradication efforts. It fuels conflict and disharmony in society. I have set poverty eradication and quality education as key priorities for the 74th session of the General Assembly. Corruption also hinders the achievement of quality education. At the same time, education is a crucial element to effectively address the phenomenon of corruption. It fosters attitudes that do not tolerate corruption. The way we engage young people today will determine the prospects for sustainable development and peace. Mobilizing and empowering youth for justice is key for ensuring sustainable solutions to combating corruption. No country is immune to corruption, and curbing it is a serious global challenge. On this Anti-Corruption Day, let us rededicate ourselves to combating corruption, including through cooperation and partnerships.